Well, isn't this a treat? You get to see me on video finally for once. All right, this is what you're going to do tomorrow when you come to class. Immediately turn to page 226 to activity 5.2b. What you're going to do is when you come to class, you're going to take a sheet of paper and you're going to immediately write your name on it. Okay? With your name, you're going to write your height in inches. Okay? So if your name is Paul and you're 74 inches, you're going to put this on a piece of paper. Everybody in the class is going to do this. Then, once everyone has put their name in on a sheet of paper and their height in inches on the sheet of paper, we're going to put it in a bag, we're going to mix it up, and each one of you are going to draw 4 names, okay? That's 4 names. And you're going to record these names, and you're going to record the height of that person, okay? Now, for instance, mine is Nene, who is 58 inches tall. Tom, who is 48 inches tall. Paul, who is 74 inches tall. And finally, Mimi, who is 61 inches tall. And what you're going to do is you're going to put those names, after you've recorded them, you're going to put those names quickly back into the hat or whatever I have to place the names in. And I'm going to move on to the next person. In the meantime, you're going to calculate the average height of that person, or of your sample. Okay? Now, what's going to happen is you're also going to be given one of these little stickers. Now, what you're going to do is there will be a dot plot up on the board like today that you put the X bar on, and you're going to walk up to that dot plot, and it's going to look something like this. This is a smaller version, and you're going to put a dot where your height is. For instance, I'm about 6 foot. So somewhere around there. And then the next person is going to put their dot. And we're going to create a dot plot with your height. And we're going to do this for every class. Then, once you have created your dot plot, what we're going to do is we're going to make an additional dot plot right underneath this one. Okay? And we're going to put our samples on this dot plot, just like you did today with your X bar dot plot. Okay? And we're going to complete this process. Now, one thing, when you put your height, or when you put the dot plot, make the dot plot with your height, this is called a population distribution. All right? So let's recap real quick. You're going to put your name and height on a sheet of paper. You're going to put your dot on the number line to indicate your height. You're going to pick 4 pieces of paper and record the names and their heights, and you're going to take the average of those heights. We're going to repeat this until everyone in the classroom has chosen a sample of 4. All right? You're going to, once you have completed the dot plot with your height, we're going to do another dot plot right underneath, and we're going to create a dot plot with your samples. And then we're going to talk about the variability and see how it differs from the original population parameter, which we will then calculate. All right, that is it. Thank you. Have a good night.